Alright guys, so this is for Commodore fans, I suppose. Just got all this at a garage sale. I offered the lady 50 bucks and she accepted, so yeah, I came with all this. She even had a nice little sheet. A couple of floppy drives, 5 1/4, 3.5, monitor, printers, bunch of software, mice. So, and a rare Etonic box. Remember those? Let's see, we can open that up. Nice little notes. Bunch of sweet discs. CPM for 128. A lot of nice alignment disc. Wow, he actually had a lot of 128 software, which you don't really see. I'm not sure. Family Feud. Don't know what a lot of this stuff is. Vegas. Looks like he had backups of everything. Disc nibbler. Man, this is going to be quite something to go through. Come on, close. This box has seen better days. Maybe there's some Etonic collectors out there that'll... let's see. What else do we got here? A couple of mice. Taiwanese. Whatever an A64 is. Don't even know. No idea. Commodore MPS 801. Yeah, not sure what that all is. Okay, so we're in a box 2. All software. Look at this. Pirates in the box. Look at how organized he is here. Let's see. There it is. Flip this around here. Home design, Kickman, mouse, GOS? Geos, however you pronounce it. Kickman. Karateka. What's this here? That word. Print shop. That's gonna be hours of fun. Rocket Ranger. What's all this? Huh. Oh. Get back in there. Yeah, whatever. Let's see what's in box number 3. Tons more software. Look at all this. Man. Xevious. That's a cool package. Zork. Shogun. Yeah, I didn't even get to look at all this at the sale. That's cool. Swift Calc. What else? More software. Let's get to the meat and taters. Here it is, guys. Software here. set that down. Nice. With the key. Nothing in it. Power supply. And this is pretty interesting. I believe this is a companion to the IBM PC Junior. I believe it's actually a thermal printer, if I'm not mistaken. And they're not the easiest to find. Huh. Yeah, so this is pretty neat in itself. Set this aside here. Sorry if this camera's annoying you. I don't have a tripod or anything. What's this? Whoops. Super Graphics. Epson Panasonic, something for a printer, I'm assuming. Looks like it. Not sure what that does. Some interesting hardware here. And these joysticks aren't anything to write home about, I don't think. And this is interesting, some type of headphone mic set. The lipstick. Is that for on the broadband and the, not the broadband, but the BBS's? Print ribbons? Radio Shack, $8.95. The 3.5-inch disc drive, Commodore 1581, and the 128, obviously. What's this? Big Blue printer interface. Don't know what that is. Big Blue IBM. Lets you print on IBM printers. Is that why the IBM printer is in here? I don't know. I don't know much about this stuff. I don't know if it's any good or what. Commodore. Oh, here's the CPU fan. Yeah, that should cool her down. Not sure how many CFMs it pushes out. Not rated. Or is it? Who cares? I'm running out of battery. Sugar. Twin Cities 128. Cool. What's in here? Yeah, I didn't even get a chance. Oh, another power supply? That's for the computer. What is this? Wow. Some kind of cartridge jukebox? Warp speed. What is this? Is that for disk drive loading? Wow. Yeah, I don't know much about this stuff. Programmer's guide. Okay. Here's a disk drive. Focus. Put that in here. Wow, is this another disk drive? Nice. Wow. I don't know what all these. Oh. Dropped the phone, that didn't help. Okay. And a monitor. What do we have? Oh! It's not an official product. Oh. Oh. Crap. Thompson 4120 color monitor. Looks like it's composite only, sadly. But yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. Should be fun for a while.